Today is Friday, July the 16th, 2021. July the 16th, 2021, and welcome back to another weather video. It has been a weird week. I haven't been doing a lot of videos because there's not a lot going on in the weather world. We don't have a lot of tropical activity going on. We do have some summertime pop-up storms that will continue, that will ramp up into this weekend and into next week. So we do have a lot of wet weather in the eastern U.S. in terms of severe weather like storms, just some rain. So as we move into tomorrow, you see that in the eastern U.S. it's going to be very rainy in the eastern U.S. Anywhere from Louisiana all the way up into New York State. Sunday, still rainy across much of the southeastern U.S. Monday, still rainy across the southeastern U.S. Maybe some thunderstorms overnight. So not just in the afternoon hours when the daytime heating comes and the atmosphere gets very juicy and warm, but even in the nighttime, these storms can occur. So we got to be on our lookout for these storms in the overnight when we go into next week. And then Wednesday, pretty much the same thing on Wednesday. Wednesday is probably going to get a break for much of the country except for the Northeast and in the mid-South, the West-South. Well, the West-South doesn't make any sense, but Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, that area, Texas. And then Thursday, still some more showers. So you get the deal. It's going to be very wet period in the eastern U.S. A lot of troughs are digging in the eastern U.S. A lot of cold fronts are coming, which is bringing a lot of rain and stormy weather. Just not fun times if you're being outside and if you're being if it's really wet outside. If you're like having picnics, just going outside to just be outside, you have to dodge some showers. It has been very, very hot here. I just checked this weather station, which on my last video I did my weather station review, and it says it's 88 degrees outside right now, but then the dew point, the heat, it feels like 96 degrees. So it is very hot outside. Please take some breaks. It's 96 right here. Oh my goodness. Please take some breaks. Drink plenty of water, have sunscreen on. It's going to be very hot because obviously we're in the dog days of summer. July is the hottest day of the month, hottest month of the year. So obviously it's going to be very hot outside. So please take breaks, drink water, have sunscreen, and all that fun stuff. We do have some storms in the Columbia metro area. So some storms up there in Newberry County, Union County, Fairfield County, a lot of stormy weather. You can see there's a lot of lightning. There is a severe thunderstorm warning which expires in 5 minutes at 1:30 p.m. at the time I'm recording this video. And it does expire at 1:30, and you have to be on the lookout for frequent lightning, flooding, some wind damage. But these storms are going to be pretty violent, a lot of lightning, not a lot of heavy rain. Well, it is going to sit around because you know how summertime storms, they sit around, they don't do anything. There's not cold fronts that move them, troughs that move them. They just sit around, rain themselves out for about an hour, and then they just dissipate or just move on to another area. So it's those kind of storms. So anywhere in the eastern U.S., if I zoom out, we'll be eligible for seeing some storms. You're not going to see a storm every single day. I mean, some places have seen storms every single day, but it depends on where you are. It hasn't rained here in 3 days, and every day we've had a chance of seeing storms. We've had like a 30% chance, 40% chance. It just depends on where you are. The storms aren't going to magically pop up out of nowhere and just hit your house one day and then continue to do that day after day. Last year it did that. I remember it was storming every single day for at least a week, and then it stopped. But it just depends on where you live. I might see a storm right now today, and then 20 miles away from me, there's no storm. It's just sunny and all that. It just depends on your area. So the tropics, there's not a lot in the tropics that we're talking about. Tropics have been a little bit of a lull, but we are focusing on stormy weather. The storm chances will pick up over the next week. So please be on the lookout for that. Please be on the lookout for the storm chances and the heat. Please take breaks from the heat. The heat is getting intense. It is the hottest month of the year. So please be on the lookout for heat and summertime storms. Anyway, thanks for watching this video for today. And I will see you soon, hopefully on Sunday. I will see you on Sunday, July the 18th, 2021. Have a good rest of your Friday. Bye.